Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and here we have Apple's battery cases, their new battery cases for the iPhone XS and the XS Max in white and black colors, and of course this is also available for the XR. Since I just got this in, I can't put together a review. Instead, I'll do the unboxing, first impressions, and color comparison. I'll use the cases over my weekend in New York City, and then report back next week with my full review. Anyway, let's open up the XS Max white case. Standard Apple packaging, clean, simple, minimal, no lightning cable included. It's just the case and some documentation. The case has a funky smell currently, which isn't really important, but we can see the design. And my first impression, this feels bulkier than the iPhone 7 version that I had for my iPhone 7. And Apple sadly didn't get rid of that awkward hump. Now yes, it does kind of work as a finger resting point, but ultimately it's pretty unsightly and awkward. And I think awkward is definitely the right term for it, because if it was flatter, it would fit in the pocket more evenly. And I still don't quite understand why Apple didn't spread out the battery technology, but they didn't again. In terms of the colors, I had the white case for my iPhone 7, and I liked it, but I opted for the black version for my daily driver, black iPhone XS, and white for the XS Max, which is a gold phone, but with a debrandt skin, because I kind of hate the gold color now. I think white will definitely show the inside of your pockets a bit, especially with denim and with dust and debris, but black is going to show more of the fingerprints and oils, a decent amount more. I think color matching your phone would look really good, but the colors are simple enough that's probably not an issue either way. A nice perk here is that the battery case also works with your wireless chargers, so you can get the best of both worlds there. And Apple promises a lot of battery capacity added to your iPhone with this, over 20 hours for all three iPhone models, which is pretty sweet. And of course, I'll test that out this weekend and let you know. I think the iPhone XS is really the only phone that needs this, because all the other phones have very, very solid battery life in terms of the XR and the XS Max. So of course this does show up in your battery settings on the iPhone, and that's one of the most attractive features of this, and it is continually charging as long as your case has juice. So once the case is dead, it's just kind of an awkward, heavy case that doesn't have any more purpose until you plug in a lightning port and charge both of these, or until you put it on a wireless charging pad. So anyway, those are my initial thoughts on these devices. We'll see how the battery and the design holds up, and I'll let you know next week how that is. But for now, here are the colors, here are my impressions, and there is the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments down in the comment section below.